So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? What is the relationship between amplitude and frequency? What causes amplitude? So why you could have an A chord, but yet you have another note, but it's a higher pitch. So what causes amplitude is when there's a force, and this force creates an energy that vibrates. What the hell are you doing? Okay, so semantic ambiguity in literary devices, in rhetorical devices, derive from the tonality. You know, like a sarcastic statement or